Good morning, student, and welcome to the online math class. Today, I am here with the question of this. This question is asked me one student, okay, sir, please tell me this question. And so, today I am here with this question. This question is important as point of view your exam, because this question is come in a CBSE 2020 paper, and also this question is related with this. Median is here given, and also total frequency is given, and then after you in this question you have to find the value of x and y. So two variable is there, and then after you have to find the value of x and y when this table is given, and also median and total frequency is given. So this type of question I have to do in the previous video when the median is given and one variable you have to find. Okay, so this is another type of a question of that exercise, and also important question, because this type of question is to be asked in your paper many times. Okay, so median is equal to 525. So first of all, you very well know what is the formula of median, and then after you have to use this total frequency, and you have to create one equation with the help of total frequency, and second value you have to use the median for finding or creating the second equation. Okay, so see these things, how to find this question. So first of all you have to find the cumulative frequency, because in the median it is important to find these things. Okay, how to find it you very well know, but now we have to repeat here. So how to find this total cumulative frequency. So see this. First of all you have to write this frequency just like that. Okay. Secondly, you have to add this frequency with the next frequency and write it here. Just like 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Then after you have to add this frequency with the another frequency, that is your next frequency. So this is a variable, so you are not at these things. So 7 plus x you have to write these things just like, and then after you have to add these things again, and you find 19 plus x. Then after you have to add these things, then you have to find 36 plus x. Then after you have to add these things, you have to find 56 plus x. Then after you have to add these things, you have to find 56 plus x plus y, because x is not add with y, and x and y are two variables, and this value is not add with constant. That's why we have to write these things just like that, 56 plus x plus y. Now we have to add these things with 9, and then after you have to get 65 plus x plus y. Then after you have to add these things and get 72 plus x plus y, and then after you have to add these things, because these are the constant, so you have to add this constant value, and x and y is a variable, so you have to left it just like that. So 76 plus x plus y. Now you have to find the cumulative table or a cumulative bar. With the help of this cumulative bar, you have to find one equation. How? This is a total frequency here. In the previous video when we have to explain the median, so that time we have to ask if this is the total frequency. So total frequency is given in the question, so you have to write these things equal to 100. So you get the one equation here. So you have to write these things just like 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100. Okay, 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100, and then after you have to find the value of x and y. How? Okay, this value is going there and then you get the x plus y is equal to 100 minus 76, that means 24. So that this is your first equation, x plus y is equal to 24. This is your first equation you are used as to find the value of x and y. Okay, now we have to develop our second equation with the help of the median. So here you know that median is this. Okay, and the formula of median you very well know. The median formula is what you have, L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay, so this is your formula, and in this formula you very well know that there are so many variables. That variable value you have to find with this table. In the previous video when we have to explain the median, I have to explain how to find this value. So here you have to find the L. So L is found with the help of a median class. So first of all you have to find the median class. How to find the median class? You have to find with the n upon 2. So where is n? N is a total frequency. So this is value is n. So you have to use this value as an n. So n is equal to 100. N is equal to 100. So what value you have when you have to divide by 2? So this value is 50. So you have to compare or find the median class with the help of 50. So how to find the median class with the help of 50? You have to see this here. 50 is lie between these two cumulative frequency. You very well know. Okay, so this is a 36, this is a 56. So 56 is your greatest value and 36 is your smallest value. So you have to find just after greatest value. So just after greatest value is 56. So this is this value. इसके सामने वाली जो भी frequency होगी, this value is considered as a f. And इसके जो top most यानी कि ऊपर वाली value होगी, this frequency is known as CF. So this is your cumulative frequency, this is your f, and this interval is known as the median interval. So by this way we have to find all this value here. So you have to write these things here, and then after you have to find the value of L, value of H, and then after you have to put here and also put the value of median and find the second equation, because first equation we have to find with the help of a total frequency. So you have to find here just like here. You very well know that f is equal to 20. So this is your value of f and this is the value of CF. So CF is equal to 36 plus x, and then after this is your median class. You very well know. So median class is So median class is 500 minus 600. So 500 to 600, that is not a minus, that is a 500 to 600, not a minus here. This is a limited value. Okay, 500 से 600 तक जा रही है. So this is a range value. So with this median you have to find the value of L. So this is the value of L. So L is equal to 500. And then after you have to find the H. H is the range. So range is median class interval. So how to find the range? So 600 minus 500. So then you get the range. So H is equal to, you get 100. So H key value, this is L, this, F is this, CF is this, N upon 2 is this. So you have to put here, and then after you have to calculate your second equation. Here you know that median is equal to this value, so put it median 525 is equal to L is 500 plus N upon 2, that's mean 50, minus CF is 36 minus X upon F is this 20, and also what's the value of H? H is 100. so you have to put here at the place of h, and then after you have to cut this value to this, so that is 5. So 225 ja 100, and then this value going there and subtract it, so 525 minus 500, so that value is and subtract this value, so this value is converted into 14 minus x. Okay, and this is your 5, and 5 is in the form of multiply, so this is converted here going in a divide, because this is in a multiply, so this value going to going equal side of equal to, so that time it is converted into divide. So now you have to put the value and subtract these things, so this value is 25 upon 5 equal to 14 minus x, and then you get the value. This value is converted 5 5 ja 25, so 5 is equal to 14 minus x. This value is going there and this value is going there, and then after x is equal to this value going there, so that is converted into plus, and this value is plus going there, so that is converted into minus, so 14 minus 5, and then x is equal to 9. Okay, so this is the value of x. X is equal to 9. This value put in this equation and find the value of y, because we have to find the value of x and y. So put this value, put the value of x, put the value of x in equation 1. Okay, and put it here. So 9 plus y is equal to 24, and this value going there, and then after y is equal to 24, this value is in the form of plus, so this value going there, that is converted into minus, so 14 minus 24 minus 9, because this value is 24, so 24 minus 9, how much value you have? So y is equal to 515, so this value is going there, y, and then you get the value of y and x. So x is 9 and y is 15. So by this way and by this formula, by this method, you have to find the value of x and y that is given in your table, and then that time it will given the median is equal to and the total frequency equal to. Okay, so when this type of question come in your exam, so you have to follow this process and find the value of your variable. In the exam it is not give as an x or y, it is also be given in the form of f1 and f2 or any other variable. So you have to understood how to find these things. Are you understand how to find these things, or you understood what is the process you are used? Okay, so if any type of concern you have, then you have to ask me. I help you as soon as possible, and also comment below of this video is any type of change or any question you want to ask me, you have to directly send me. Just like that I have to explain that question. Okay, now your chapter statistic is complete. If any question you have to ask me, you have to directly send me. I make a video, a separate video for you, and then I send you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. One thing, you have to comment below of this video and also share this video with your friend. That's why it will check what is a method that type of question you have to solve. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.